What's up, Amazon KDP booksellers? Now, here we are at Toolshelf.app. This is your completely free Amazon KDP starting point. Check this out. So, I went over in the last video, I went over each tool, but now I want to go into each tool and give you a more of a detailed instructional how-to guide for each tool. So, let's start off with PDF Page Mover. This enables you basically to move your PDF, your pages within your PDF around if you want to make certain changes. Let's say you want your test color page to be in front of your title page for some reason, anything like that. So I'm going to click on this. Okay, here we go. So you get a little display here, and let's say I want to move this title page to the right here. I can move it like that. Let's say I want to move this over here. Let's say I want to go to the very bottom and move the answer key around. I can do that. And once you're done, you go up to the top here and click Download PDF. And now your book's arranged. Okay, now this again, all these tools are based off of what people ask me for. A lot of Amazon KDP sellers I work with, and I have within my members area of some of my software. And this is one of the things that I got a lot of questions for, a lot of requests for. So I hope you enjoy it. Be good, take care. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll come out with more videos around this topic to help you publish more books and get you those royalties. Be good, take care, and see you in the next video.